Welcome back. A key issue for emerging markets, access to technology. Channel IT is bringing it to underdeveloped regions across the world. I spoke with Channel IT CEO Bassim Haidar, and we started the conversation talking about the company's growth and expansion.
The success story continues, obviously, with expansion now into Latin America. We're in 5 new countries in Latin America. We've developed, obviously, new technologies that address the day-to-day problems that emerging markets face. One of them is a new smartphone that we developed, an Android-based smartphone that we could actually plan is to provide it free of charge to consumers, subsidized by data plans and payments over 2 years. So basically, a customer could actually pay $2 a month and have access to a smartphone for once, which was unavailable just 6 months or a year ago. And this is actually going to happen, and we're launching it at the Mobile World Congress in February this year.
Congratulations. This is a big deal. Now, tell us about how it's resonating, because we even saw the likes of Apple have a problem in the emerging markets. Are you seeing the kind of demand that you expected?
We're seeing more demand than we can actually cope with right now. Simple as the price point of what we're introducing is extremely affordable. Our objective is eventually, and we're talking to the IFC and these organizations, is to help us subsidize these phones so we can get people into the digital inclusion and financial inclusion. So take, for example, someone in a remote area with a small feature phone has no access to banking, content, soft infrastructure, internet, etc. We are now providing him with a free phone that allows this person to actually access all this financial services and the digital services for less than $2 a month. So extremely affordable. And currently our book is actually full for the next 2 years with orders as a result of this.
This is a huge deal for people needing access to lending and needing access to banking activity. So tell us about what you're seeing in terms of the population. Are they needing that? Because many people, they don't necessarily need a smartphone in these regions, right? They just need the banking, and they just need a pure phone with voice.
Exactly, and this is why we went with a watered-down version of Android 6. And because we tried to bring the cost down as much as possible. And when the research that we did said, well, these customers, what do they need? They need very simple apps that can allow them to, watch certain content, or to do some payments, or to borrow. Now, how do they borrow? There's a lot of data on the apps that we can use to analyze these customers. There's telco data that we actually use to score these customers, and we can provide them loans up to, and we're doing it up to like $100, $200. So they want to pay a hospital bill, they want to pay tuition fees, etc. And it's working brilliantly with a 97% recovery rate.
So you've expanded the micro-lending part of this business to more countries over the last year.
That's right.
Bangladesh, as well as Nepal, Saudi Arabia, India, among others.
And Latin America.
And Latin America. Where are you seeing the most growth in all of those regions right now?
On the mobile financial services, Pakistan, some of the West African countries, and Latin America. Latin America is extremely hungry. We didn't expect it to be like this, but actually it's a huge growth market for us.
It's so fascinating to see, because it sort of sidesteps the growth of a nation. What are you seeing in terms of implications as a result of when people get that kind of power in their pocket?
It's funny you mentioned this, because I had the same reaction this morning from some of the panels I was on this morning, and some heads of state said, how come we've never heard about this? Why haven't you come to us so we could actually help you also with maybe with regulation, with some government grants, etc. So you now see that governments want to actually get people onto the digital superhighway, and they had maybe no idea or didn't really have that thought on how to do it. So I think working with governments is actually another venue that we'd be exploring.
My thanks to Bassim Haidar joining us, Channel IT.